Hello there. Today we're in preparation of doing our roller coaster lab next week. We're going to do a little research on Newton's laws and Sir Isaac Newton. So today, if you could open up the Monday folder, take a look at your roller coaster research activity here. If you click on it, you will see that I've linked the Google Drive to Schoology. And if you don't see an assignment here, go to the My Documents. It says in progress on mine, but it'll go to My Document. If you click on that, you can click over on the right hand side here. There will be a place for you to edit and also to submit. So click on Edit first, open it up, edit it, and then go back to this assignment page here and click Submit. Hopefully you will find, you do need to link it to your Google Drive, but hopefully you will find that it is super simple to get done. So if you open this up, your task today is to do a little research, type in here the information in his biography, and just go ahead and type it in the different places here. Put where he grew up, where he was born, 2 important facts about his childhood, facts about his family, who did he marry, how many children did he have, and his contributions to science. Once you get done with that, you're going to define the different laws and give specific example as to how it relates to roller coasters. Be as specific as you can, please. Second, third, and then there's some definitions to put in there. And then once you're done, once again, go back to this page where the assignment is, and then you should have a button here that you can submit it, okay? Any issues, please email me and I'll help you through it. Have a great day.